Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello friend, how are you all?
I'm fine.
Bye.
Thank
I'm
you.
fine.
On this occasion, we will present the task that we did yesterday, which is about the film entitled Servant of Satan. Here we explain some of the part in the film such synopsis, story structure, conflict, character, and so on. Good. For the first part in this film, namely the synopsis section, which will be explained by Mas Alphonsus, please.
Okay, thank you. Synopsis. In general, Pengabdi Setan is a horror genre film, where in general horror films show scary scenes and are able to make the audience feel shocked and even frightened. On the other hand, the storyline in this film display the values and aspect of Islam in the scene. The presence of this film has success in breaking the hegemony of the world of Indonesian horror film, which in recent years have always featured sexy female film stars and so erotic scene, even tending to reduce the mystical impression of the film. Call it a film that is broadly a grandmother. The mother is a singer. After 3 years suffering from a strange disease, and she's finally died. The day after, the father was forced to go to the city on some business, leaving his 4 children and the grandmother. After that, this family often experience strange and scary events. They often get terror from a ghost who resembles their mother. All of this happened because during her life, mother experienced an desperate phase because she never had children. He then joined a demon worshipping sect to fulfill his wish to have children.
Okay, Mas Alphonsus, thank you. And there is a conflict section that will be explained by Mas Alphonsus again, please.
Okay, conflict. This happened because the family did not obey the Sharia or Islamic teaching according to Renius family. As a result, their family gets strange occurrences that often disturb Renius family member. When you go out of town to earn money so you can meet the economic needs of your family, this family member experienced many disturbances. By the time Ian was the last child of the family, he was 7 years old. The time came when the demons from the agreement of the satanic worship came to pick up Ian. That's where the devil who resembled his mother appeared with the aim of bringing Ian. And finally, even Rini's family could not prevent or save Ian because there was a pact in the sect.
Okay, well, thank you. And next, Mas Alphonsus, we explain it in the plot section, please.
Okay. Plot. At first, there was a family of the main character who embraced Islam. But it was also described if the family did not obey the rules and teaching of his religion, with all sorts of strange and creepy events that often befall his family. He finally renewed his Islam anxious. Until then, he asked for help from a religious teacher or Pak Ustad. Ustad then came to Rini and tried to help her to get out of the problem. As a religious leader, Pak Ustad then advised Rini and her family to always want to get closer to the Creator and ask to be given protection and leave all matters to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. Pak Ustad also give advice to Rini's family to always be guided by what she believes in according to her religion and beliefs so that Rini and her family can live a life so that her life will always find peace and kindness. The strange incident continued until finally without realizing it when Rini's family moved to the city and lived in apartment. They did not think that one of their neighbors was the head of the sect of demon worshippers who had bad intention towards Rini's family in front of him.
Okay, thank you, Mas Alfonsus. Yes, and furthermore, there are character from the films cat with different roles that will be delivered directly by Mas Ian, please. Characteristic.
Okay, I will continue with the character section. Characteristic: Rini protagonist, father protagonist, Tony protagonist, mother or Mawarni antagonist, grandma or Rahma Saida protagonist, Bondi protagonist, Ian antagonist, Hendra protagonist, Pak Ustadz protagonist, Budiman protagonist, Batara antagonis, Darmina antagonis.
Okay. Thank you, Mas Ian. Mas Ian, and then in the symbolism section, Mas Ian again will discuss it in more detail, please.
Story structure.
Oh, okay, story structure. Okay.
Yeah.
Please, that will be read by Mas Ian. Story structure.
Okay.
Sorry.
Also in the film Servant of Satan, there are some conversation of or dialogue that the situation in the past, but the storyline in the film is a progressive flow. The concept in the film Servant of Satan remind us to always remember Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala and love each other family members.
Okay, thank you, Mas Ian. And in the symbolism section, please discuss in more detail, Mas Ian.
Okay,
Explain.
symbolis. On the cover of the film, Pengabdi Setan is covered in red, which means Tata red is a color Tata express feelings of anger, tension, horror, and blood. In the cover article, it means someone who believes in Satan and asks something from Satan, not from Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. And there is a woman carrying a bell in front of an ancient house symbolizing fear.
Okay, thank you, Mas Ian. And for Mas Hanul, point of view, please explain.
Okay, continue. View point. The point of view is the film serving Satan is third person point. The point of view because the other does not slow person in the story of servant of Satan.
Okay, good. For the next part of the setting flow will be explained by Mas Hanul again, please.
Setting background of the place in the film Pengabdi Setan, almost all of the story takes plans place where Rini lived. The old house lived by her grandmother. leave the lead environment use is example about set light technique or lighting for the site. The light uh, environment used in the image is backlit because the lighting comes from behind the object.
Okay, thank you, Mas Sanul. And for the next, there is a miss and scene that will be explained by Mas Sanul again, please.
Continue Miss and scene. Because the setting of the place in the film The Satan almost the story take place when Rini lived the old house led by her grandmother. Let the late advertisement use as an example about its a satellite technique and all lighting from the from the set. The makeup is makeup resemble a ghost. The custom is a black cloth. The symbol is in mystic or the dark world. Thank you.
Okay, good friend. For the last explanation, which is about cinematography, editing, and also sound, which will be explained in full by me. Okay, number one, cinematography. Ian was looking out window because his friend were waiting outside to invite Ian to join. The friend is question where the fails friend. And next number two, editing. The editing element in the scene of Indra character being dragged under the trick until his face is crushed using the technique of multiplying visual effect because there is an effect of blood pouring out. And less sound in the film Servant of Satan, the instrument in the film is often tense and scary music, so that story in the film can be conveyed properly because of the horror genre. And last conclusion, the film entitled Servant of the Devil ini, or Servant of Satan is a horror genre film directed by Joko Anwar, which was released on September 28, 2017. This film is received a lot of good response from the audience, and I highly recommend it for friends who haven't watched it yet to watch immediately. Okay, thank you, our friend who have joined today meeting. Hope fully friend understand about this Satanic Serpent film. I'm Ahmad Rijanto and my friend said goodbye. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Salam.